You know, I really like the color of that bike. It's almost like, oh wait, we're the same. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're joined by a fellow subscriber with a beautiful 21 Gsx'S SZ ABS. We'll put all of it in there because we're identical color and everything. I got a little bit more miles than him, but his bike is gorgeous. He's got the belly pan blacked out, just because not a lot of people like the yellow, and I'm one of them. It's a little loud for my taste, but today we're just cruising some back roads, having a blast. It's kind of what the weekend's all about for the boys. This is not normally me. I'm not really a big back roads guy. You gotta do it every once in a while, you know. Thing sounds gorgeous. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos as of recently. I'm trying to do a little bit different things, see if you guys are liking it or not. A little bit of, you know, less talk and more riding. The subscribers have been going up and up and up recently. I think we got like 30 in the past like 5 days. It's unbelievable. So I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting, all that good stuff. These bikes are just so gorgeous, man. They really are. If you're on the fence about it, I hope all my videos can just get you right on the other side of that fence in a good way. We're gonna stop here and get some pictures. We'll be right back. And we are back. Got some good pictures. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, put it on the screen, description below. Be sure to check the new post out. Come on, give me a little pop, give me a little pop. There it is. Gotta be careful in these corners, they're kind of wet. Oh man, they're killing me. Bicycle guys killing me. Gotta wait a little bit, let them people go. I guess the road is a sidewalk. I don't know, man. People just never fail to amaze me. This is the awesome part of doing YouTube, being able to meet people that you wouldn't really necessarily run into, but you come together because of YouTube videos, and it's just a small world, man. It really is. And it's cool meeting people with the same bike because, you know, my mod might spark his interest, his mod might spark mine. He's got a Kaufman slip-on, very, very loud. It's beautiful. Of course, you know, we're out here no exhaust, which is gonna change here soon. We're going full Black Widow, putting the Yoshi back on. Just waiting on my stepdad to get back. I'm gonna be honest, I don't really trust anybody else but him working on it, so that's why it's taking a little longer. Just waiting for our schedules to line up so we can put this thing on. So just be patient. It's not gonna be that long, but I'm gonna send ECU out here soon to Chris, get a new tune on it. I want to get the guards for my exhaust and my radiator, just because I'm already going to be there, so why not? We're hoping at the end of this. My only really reason for getting the Black Widow, other than it's cheap, very nice quality. A few other friends of mine have had Black Widow's systems and it's beautiful. So great quality, great price. Gonna give a little bit more of a tone. I've heard a little bit different. It's not quite as lower of a growl. It's kind of a little higher as the Gsx'S are. So I'm excited for that. But we just all want the same thing. Flames. Yes, we want the flames. I swear to you, these past couple days, if you kind of put the RPMs above like 8 grand and kind of feather the throttle back on, sounds like there's a little bit of action going on at the exhaust. So he's got the Kaufman slip-on with the baffle in it, and it sounds just about the same as with no exhaust. So if you're in the market for one of them, just know when you take the baffle out, pretty loud. You know, I really like the color of that bike. It's almost like, oh wait, we're the same. See, this is exactly what I'm talking about when guys are talking about riding together. See, me, I've never been on this road before, and this is like his favorite road. So I don't have to be right there with him. I'm just trying to learn it and do what I can with what I know. He could know this road like the back of his hand. I'm not going to push the limit just to be right next to him. And this is what it means to ride in your comfort zone. Don't think just because you're in a group that you have to be the one up front. Even when you know the road, it doesn't matter. I'm just here enjoying it, letting him do his thing. Like earlier, I knew a road better than him, and we were just, you know, we were separated, but it's okay. I think I'm gonna wrap the video up here, guys. I'm gonna leave my man Trey's Instagram and everything down in the description. Be sure to give him a follow. Tell him K-Dog sent you. If you liked the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Stick around if you're new. We'll see you on the flip side. Peace.